Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply for Nexo Card. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Nexo Card. The first thing you need to do is to open the Nexo mobile app and log in using your email address and password if prompted. From the home screen, check the bottom corner. You see a couple of icons representing diverse features, including dashboard, wallet, market, card, and exchange. Click on Card. Now, it takes you here. You can order the Nexo Card only after identity is verified. So select identity verification and follow through with the prompts to verify. After verifying and you come back to this window, go ahead and review the features and benefits of the Nexo Card, including how it allows you to spend your crypto without selling it, and rewards and manage your assets. If you decide to proceed, tap on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. Fill out the application form with the necessary details, which may include the personal information containing your name, address, date of birth, and identity information containing passport, driver's license, etc. for verification purposes, and financial information including income, employment status as required by regulatory standards. Review and accept the terms and conditions associated with the Nexo Card, ensure you understand any fees or requirements related to the card. And after completing all sections of the application form, review your information for accuracy and submit your application. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed by Nexo. This process may take some time depending on the volume of applications and verification requirements. You'll receive a notification regarding the status of your application, approved or denied, via the app or your registered email address. If approved, follow the instructions provided to activate your Nexo Card once it arrives. You may need to enter some details in the app to complete the activation. And that's it. You have successfully applied for the Nexo Card. Go ahead and enjoy its benefits, including the ability to spend your crypto seamlessly while earning rewards. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.